Highly blessed everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how I use this piece of ginger, and I am going to show you spiritually what you can do with the ginger. So everybody know the benefits of ginger, right? You can use it for healing, for spiritual work, for cleansing, for manifesting, for seasickness, for cooking, name a few. So what I'm going to show you is how you can actually use this for spiritual work, and you can actually manifest quicker. You can actually be successful. You be more favored. You get clarity. You can, attract good positive energy towards you. So if you want to know how I do this, please continue to watch. But before you do that, can you please subscribe to my channel? Also, turn the notification bell on, because I'll be posting a lot of these type of videos to show you what you can use in your home to perform your spiritual, favors and your spiritual work. And one of these things that I love to use because from lately I started discovering myself, and I found out that I could use this to manifest certain things that I've already seen coming through. And I wanted to share with you how I did that. And I have got a piece of ginger here, and I'll show you now. All right. So, first thing you need to do is to get a piece of ginger like this, or you can actually break it off. But make sure your ginger is okay. It doesn't have any, soft spots on it or any decay spots. So with this ginger, I'd have to cut this bit off, all right? So if you have anything like this, please do not put this into your ritual, all right? Because this is just gonna sour things up. So make sure your ginger is in good condition like this, without any brown or black spots, all right? So after you have that, then you're going to make sure you can break them up into small pieces if you want, like this, and break them up. And what I do next is I'll leave them out to dry. If you've got an area in your house where you can actually dry these ginger pieces, or you can get smaller ginger pieces. I got some gingers from the African shop, which was this piece, and it was like small pieces, which was really perfect for me for what I wanted to do. So after you've dried this, how many weeks, how many days or months, or if you're in a hot climate, you can dry it in a week's time, and it needs to be dry as in dry, bone dry. I put it near to my area in the home where it tends to have a lot of heat, because it's winter now in the UK, so we've got the heating on. So I'll just keep it in a warm room for a few weeks, probably a month or two, and let it just dry down naturally. And when it does that, you can then get it prepared to start doing what I need you to do. So before you do that, make sure, excuse me, oops, excuse me, make sure you put this in a place where it's less traffic. There's nobody gonna walk over it, talk over it, leave their energy on it. You wanna make sure that this place is very sacred, or it's less, polluted with energy, all right? So you wanna make sure your ginger does not absorb any unnecessary negative energy than it already has, all right? So when you've done this, before you do all of this, make sure you wash your ginger. I forgot to say that at the beginning. Please wash your ginger thoroughly, dry it, but leave the outer skin on, all right? If you can't get some of the clay or mud off, that's all right, because it's from the earth. So you want to represent something that holds you grounded to earth anyway. So you can leave some of the muddy bits on, but anything like, you know, gungy or dirty or, you know what I mean, just wash your things. Yeah, right. After we've done that and they're dried for a few weeks or months or days, depending on where you're living, I'm gonna show you what you need to do next. How your ginger will look after it is dried completely. You want to make sure all the moisture is gone totally. Yeah, I don't want to even break it because I want to use this for the next stage to show you. Right, this is how it's looking. It's really dried. You can actually really dry. All of them should be dry enough for you to do the next stage. All right, so you make sure your ginger is completely dried, no moisture left in it at all. And let's hop over to what we're going to do next, because this is very important. All right, you're going to gather all of your ginger up with your left hand. You're going to hold the ginger in your left hand and you're going to bless the ginger. All right, you're going to bless the ginger in your left hand. While you hold the ginger in your left hand, you're going to be praying Psalms 119 verses 17 to 24. Deal bountiful with my servant, that I may live and keep thy word. Open thy mine eyes, that I may behold wondrous things out of the law. I am a stranger in the earth. Hide not thy commandments from me. My soul breaketh for the longing that it has unto the judgment at all times. Thou hast rebuked the proud that are cursed, who do err from their commandments. Remove from me reproach and contempt, for I have kept thy testimonies. Prince also did sit and speak against me, but thy servant did meditate in thy statutes. Thy testimonies also are my delight and my counselors. Right? Selah. Thanks be to God. So after you pray that, you're going to pray, you're going to put your gingers down, and now you have consecrated your ginger, and you make sure your ginger is cleansed and pure from anything negative or harmful towards you. So now you can start your next journey. All right, you're going to get a parchment piece of paper, and on that parchment piece of paper, you're going to put down exactly what you're trying to attract. And with this case, we're attracting money. So you're going to write down the amount of money you need on the parchment paper. So when you've done that, you're going to make sure you're limited to one thing where you can purchase, because you want to know when it comes in. Say for instance, you want to buy a deep freeze or a washing machine. You put down what you want to buy. All right, so I'm gonna put down my deep freeze because that's what I want to get right now. So on the other side of that paper, you're gonna write down verse 1, and when you write down verse 1, you're gonna pray it like you mean it. All right, and then you're gonna fold that paper, put it in your pocket or a purse, and you're going to carry it with you until you obtain your request. So simple. Right, my twist on this now, I'm going to challenge you guys to use a piece of orange paper as well, or use an orange candle to help to, you know, highlight your favor, or, you know, to just bring more power towards your request. And then that will come through more as well, because as we know, orange represents so many things. It represents vitality, enthusiasm, excitement. It's uplifting. It shows happiness. It gives you, you know, spontaneity. It makes you optimistic. It rejuvenates your body, and also it renews your interest in life, you know. And it makes you want to meet people who are fun, who helps to motivate you and others, helps to boost your self-esteem and your confidence. And also, it will expand your circle in a positive way. So if you write your commands down on a piece of orange paper, it also gives you new ideas and freedom to try new things. And guess what? Orange is the color that uplifts your spirit and free your mind. So if you burn an orange candle and you write your commands on an orange paper during the days, then you, or anytime you're doing it, then you can actually, manifest your desires, and you replace your negativity with joy and happiness. So this is a very good color to use, and I would advise you to use this color. All right. So yes, get back to the ginger. So after you've done that, then you know your ginger is consecrated and anointed and ready for your work. While you're writing down your desires, I want you guys to start thinking about how you're going to bring forth this manifestation within your heart, soul, and mind. So you're going to make sure all three link to one. All right. So you don't think too much about it. Just feel it and just bring them together. After I've done my prayer and my anointment and my command, I am going to light my ginger. After lighting your ginger, then you'll start to do your meditation with your request. So we can use ginger to get rid of negativity, to banish evil, to defeat your enemy, to repel evil thoughts, evil association, bad habits, to manifest positive energy, materialistic things, to heal yourself, to heal others, to send love and light, for happiness, for joy. You can use ginger for so many things. And if you're in any pickle and if you're in any problem, you can use ginger while just praying, just to clean your whole house. It gets rid of spirits, evil spirits, very quickly. They will just go. So you use your ginger to spark a natural, positive environment that gives you nothing more than freedom of mind and freedom of emotions and feelings and spirituality. Okay, ginger is not just for cooking, it is so spiritual. And if you combine this with other spiritual works, you'll see how quick you'll manifest and your life will change. Remember, change only comes when it's necessary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with others so they can know what to do with ginger. Share this video and let others benefit from it. The more you share, the more blessings you get. The more you tell people about something they never know about, the more blessings you and that person will receive. Highly bless everyone.